how to clone your voice using AI. So let's say you literally create videos and let's say faceless YouTube videos, or literally you want to trick people saying this is my voice, this is not my voice, and stuff like that. And you want to learn how to, let's say, duplicate your own voice. Well, this is the video for you. So what's the catch? It's free, but other tools are not free. Well, you can only clone one voice at a time. Let's say you literally have several voices you want to be using, you can only clone one at a time. So if you've already cloned one and you're using it, you can, or you'll have to delete the cloned version to be able to clone a new voice. And secondly, what we'll be needing is a 30 seconds of your already recorded voice. I have two voices I'm gonna test with the cloning tool. So without further ado, let's get started. And as we are getting started, I'm just reminding you to subscribe because there will be a lot of video that will be helpful to you and are similar to this. So if you want to stay on the right side of technology innovations and technology like content, make sure you subscribe as we get started. Now you can check the website link in the description in order to be able to locate the website, but you can also go to Play.HT, but literally just check out the link in the description. It will take you directly to the voice cloning homepage, like so. So just like so, you're there. But remember, we need to log in. That's if we don't have an account, basically you don't have an account, we'll have to sign up. So let's go ahead and sign up. And as you can see, there are already voices that have been cloned. So they are showing you an example of what you can do. Let's Elon Musk's voice. That's the cloned version.
With Play.HT, you can clone your own voice and have an identical replica of it.
As you can see, that wasn't Elon Musk talking, but rather the cloned voice of Elon Musk.
Play leverages the latest generative media techniques to create them.
That's just amazing. I watch a lot of Elon Musk's video, so I know how Elon Musk talk, and that sounds exactly the same. Let's just go ahead and log in. We'll continue with Google, so just use your Google account to. So this way we don't need to go through extensive signing up process. We can just use our Google account and voila, we've logged in. So let's do the process. I'm going with J, just like so. Continue. Let it do its thing and you'll be good to go. All right, so just sign up like that. Still loading. Let's give it some time to do. Now we are done. So are you an individual? It will ask you some questions. So how do you plan to use Play.HT? We'll use this information to personalize your experience. I'm an individual, definitely. So I'd actually, let me just say personal listening, I guess. And lastly, what do you plan to do? Okay, use the audio for, let's say productivity, just like so. So you can actually select everything based on your preferences. And note, they have voice generation tool like text to speech, so you can use their own, but that doesn't matter. When you're on this home page, you want to head over to the side, voice cloning. That's what we need. So go ahead to voice cloning section, and we want to create a new voice clone. This is where, and remember, you should have a pre-recorded 30 seconds video of the voice you want to clone. It shouldn't be below 30 seconds, even if it's 5 seconds above 30 seconds, which makes it at 5 seconds, it's generally okay. So I have my own voice I want to clone, and I have a commercial voice actor that I'm going to clone. I like the man's voice a lot. He's Don Moffitt, and if you know Brightside website, YouTube channel. This is their voice actor. So the man is really wonderful. I love his voice. So we'll actually clone his own voice also. So remember, we can only clone one voice at a time. Let's say my voice, or Joseph, just like so. Joseph PH, like so. Now upload high quality audio. I'll go to music. So okay, this is my own voice here. So this is it. Open. I'm definitely a male. And if you want to add more details, you want your voice to look young, middle age, but I don't really select this. The point is, it improves, they said it improves quality of the voice, but literally it doesn't give an exact type of result you want. So I don't select any of this. Yeah, I'm young, definitely, but I don't want that. So I just want a perfect replica of my voice. But if you want to look more young, middle-aged, or sound like an old person, you can use any of the tags. I'm not giving any description because I want a perfect clone of my voice. I want a perfect replica of my voice. So create clone, just like so. Now we can listen to it.
This voice is brought to you by the community at Play. Our goal is to unlock voice creativity in the generative AI voice space. This is human-like voice in real time.
Oh my God. That wasn't, I don't know, that sounds close to my voice, but that's the enhanced version, as you can see. But if I want the normal version that sounds more like mine, I'd go with this one.
This voice is brought to you by the community at Play. Our goal is to unlock voice creativity.
That actually sounds like me on my normal voice, apart from the voice I put on whenever I'm making a video. That's how I talk on a normal vacation. So I'll take it. Yeah, I'll take it. It's actually good. I'll take it. So I'm going with the normal version, but if you love the enhanced version, no problem. So go ahead and finish process. And we've successfully cloned our voice. Now let's test it by using, okay, so let me type in something. Today let's say I'll like to talk to you about something really interesting, just like so. Now this is just a testing aspect. Once you've typed in what the text you are trying to generate a voiceover of, go ahead and click generate speech. Now we'll hear what it sounds like. So this will be my cloned, like the cloned version of my voice.
Today I'd like to talk to you about something really interesting.
That sounds like me, to be honest. It sounds like me. So you can try it out for yourself. Now let's test the second voice. So remember, I can't create a new voice. Why? I only have one chance. If I want for more high fidelity and 100% accurate or more access to clone extra voices, I need to upgrade their plans. But no, remember, the purpose of this video is to clone our voice for free, as using their free version does for us. So I'll just go ahead and delete the one I already cloned, just like so. And they will give me an opportunity to create another one. So we need another 30 seconds video. So now remember, I talked about Don Muffet, like so, or Muffet. I think it's just one F. Oh, sorry, Muffet. Now upload the 30 seconds pre-recorded video. The pre-recorded audio. This is it. I don't want to change anything. I hereby confirm that I have all necessary rights and consent to clone. Blah blah blah. Just create clone. No, it's taking time, but let it do its job. So this is the enhanced version of.
This voice is brought to you by the community at Play. Our goal is to unlock voice creativity in the generative AI voice space. This is human-like voice in real time.
Okay, you know what I'll do? Just make sure you stick around to the end of the video to listen to the actual sound of my own voice that I recorded and Don Moffitt's voice.
This voice is brought to you
So that way you'll be able to tell the difference between the two voices.
by the community at Play. Our goal is to unlock voice creativity
So
in
the normal one actually sounds more like Don Moffitt's voice because I know how his voice sounds like. So now we can use... Okay, let me just use the same thing I used for Joseph's voice. So you can actually use Don Moffitt, unknown, cloned, and Don Moffitt. So that's how you select the voice you want to use. Just go here and apply to all paragraph. So whenever you confirm, you'll be able to use Don Moffitt's voice. Regenerates.
Today I'd like
This
to
is
talk
my voice. This is
Today I'd like to talk to you about something really interesting.
now that's Don Moffitt's voice. So now let's check out the actual voices. For Don Moffitt, this is real Don Moffitt's voice.
So why is content marketing so powerful? Well, quite simply, people pretty much hate advertising. They're inundated with it.
Now that's, as you can see, they all sound the same. Now this is mine.
Success isn't about the end result. It's about what you learn along the way. There were a lot of cutouts in the waist of gowns at the Critics' Choice Award, and there were most.
So that's, everything sounds similar, but I noticed they have more issue in my voice. I sound more like a South African, even if I'm not a South African actually. I'm a black though, but not from South Africa, from Nigeria. So because we all have different accents. Nigerians have their accents, South Africans have their accents. So my accent sounds more like a South African, but no problem. We're all the same siblings though. All right, so thanks for watching. If this video was helpful and interesting at the same time, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, at least leave a comment telling me it was very helpful, and share. You can also check out extra videos on my channel homepage that can be helpful to you. All right, I'm Joseph, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.